Hello, my name is Luke. My video presentation is based on the iPhone addiction and how it impacts society, socially and environmentally. First, then secondly, I'll move into detail about how this design conveyed a message and how exactly it affects society and the environment. For this piece, I've chosen to depict an arm of a person along with an intravenous that is a charger plugged into the person's arm to present a serious addiction to iPhones. This can affect the society today we live in a world where people nowadays are glued to their phone. Did you know the average kid spends about 10 thirds years off their phone, which has surged from 26% to 55%, and some of these kids aren't even 10 years old yet. This problem disgraceful to even hear about. When people are addicted to this sort of problem, it often leads to feelings of negativity such as fixation, depression, jealousy, anxiety, and frustration. This can have an effect on the individual and their surroundings, including other people. These components all tie together and form an impact on social crisis. We often forget that people would rather hear about people from social media than hear from them directly, which is hand sized. Nearly everywhere we go, we see people being antisocial. Public transport, work, school, even at social events. That's right, social events. That could include parties, gatherings, having a one-on-one conversation with a friend or somebody we barely know. Moreover, moving on to my second point of this assignment, I will talk about the environmental impact that iPhones give out. The environmental impact on this is radiation. Radiation is the technological energy that is released from the iPhones that are harmful, yet these waves over a period of time are harmful parts of the body. These can affect such as the brain and saliva of the human being. Another effect radiation has on the environment is plant growth, animals, humans, and on the marine life. When this occurs, all living things around us will die. This will lead to the extinction of human life too, as without plants and animals, our food sources are cut off, leading to the death of human life. Another environmental impact on iPhones is toxic leaching. This is the leaking of dangerous toxins such as mercury, cadmium, and lead found in phones. When phones aren't in use and thrown away, they end up in landfills. These are released into the water and ground and can affect the life and growth of plants, sea creatures, animals, and ultimately human beings. My design in Illustrator shows a person's arm with an injection into the veins on one end and a smartphone at the other. This represents an addiction to technology, especially phones. Similar pictures like these are popular due to represent drug addiction. However, this shows addictions to phones. To sum this up, not only addiction to smartphones is costing us relationships and compromising our life socially and globally, but also environmentally. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something great and valuable.